so that you can, because we are working on your project with high priority.
Yeah. Okay. What happened to this? Which one? Anomaly. Anomaly.
Uh, can you please share the anomaly video with me on YouTube about our yesterday's discussion?
Yesterday's discussion. I think I didn't share with you. Okay. Let me.
You have not shared with me on Fiverr.
Oh. Okay. Content draft. Okay. Sorry. I think it was. Okay.
Okay.
And one more thing I actually forgot to discuss on this. For suppose you are giving signal, right? You are giving the signal distance between cell to cell and by to by, right? Can you give me the distance between these bars? Once I get the signal on this bar, I should not get the signals any up cell signals or by signals. As per my input, I should not get these signals on my next bus.
Uh, I have already updated this in the info, in the indicator.
Yeah, actually you had given for suppose okay plus a 5. See, there is a cell signal, there is a by signal, there is a cell signal as well.
Okay. Okay, I will update it.
Yeah. Okay, two things, and I have one more thing I need to discuss. I need a one more indicator, but that is for my testing. Later on, I will give you the some other conditions like we have to only upper wicks, a lower wick small, and we need a upper wick bigger. So I can give you the other conditions as well. But before that, for my analysis, I need these. I need a indicator. So this is called validation. Okay, this is a volume 1, volume 2, and volume 3. I'm not considering the candles. I'm considering only volume. So volume 1, volume 2, volume 3. If it is in a ascending order and descending order, the volume should be in this. The formation should be like this, and the next candle, I need a cell candle after this.
Okay.
So this is validation. So validation green means all three green, and this is ascending and descending order. So on the all three candles are green, so on the next candle I need a by candle.
Okay.
Okay, the tricky part is anomaly. Okay, previously we are checking only two candles, right? So now I'm adding one more candle. So this is you can see the first uh, volume is less bigger than the second volume.
Okay.
3.
ये उल्टा चल रहा है, 1 2
Okay,
3, एक रुका तो 3 और 1 को भी कंपेयर करना ही है।
1 2 3, 1 2
ओके।
1 2 3. So the formation is supposed to I get here, but anomaly is always reverse the market. So for the validation I need a continuation candle. I need a continuation. If it is red, the next candle also red. If it is red, the next candle also red. If it is green, the next candle also green. If it is green, next candle also green. Okay, but anomaly is if it is red, the next candle should be green. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. If it is red, the next candle is uh, green. If it is green,
Okay.
the next candle is red. If it is green, next candle is red.
Okay. So for this anomaly, I have a question about the first candle. So the first candle should have a volume greater than the volume of second candle,
Yes, correct.
and the volume of second candle should be smaller than the volume of first candle and third candle.
Third candle. Yeah, that is the condition.
Okay. Third greater than first. Yes. Okay, Arjun.
So on this candle, you will display these arrow marks, right? And below, I need a text box like this. A text box. If it is anomaly, I need to see anomaly like this.
Okay. Okay, a text message that demonstrates that it's an anomaly.
Yes, yes.
Okay, we can do that.
Okay then. So
Yes.
this is it. I forgot one more strategy. I will give you tomorrow by noon. I'll try to get then some more information on that.
Okay.
Okay then.
What is this only upper week? Do you want me
Yeah.
to write this?
No, no, no. This is after this is a week reading. So I will give you later on this. Not
Okay.
right now.
Okay, Arjun. Arjun, I will help you to be the best trader in the binary market.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, you have good skills of trading, and we have good skills of programming.
Uh, yeah, that's really nice. Yeah, correct. You have a really good skills on it. I really
Yes.
appreciate on that.
Yes, thank you, Arjun. Arjun, and I would also like you to kindly send me the updated pattern about the five candles pattern. I will also update it.
Yeah,
You
sure,
can
sure.
send pictures.
Yeah, actually, I remember it. Just give me a minute. Where this master? Yeah, this is the one.
Okay. Yes.
So I need one more filter. Okay, this is master. You can see the wicks. Wick has a trend line. Okay, the after the this week, you can see there's one more candle open and closed on this in between the trend lines. Okay, so this is called master candle. If it is any candle, upper wick and we should consider upper wick and lower wick as a trend lines, and the next candle open and close in between the trend line, then that candle as a master candle. So here we have a okay, you can see here there is a master candle. On the second, on the first candle is a master candle, on the second candle has closed open and closed in between these trend lines, so this candle has a master candle. So then we should not consider this signal, we should not get any signal in between that.
About which indicator?
This is a pattern indicator.
Okay, one question about the master candle. As you have mentioned that the open and close of the candle should not in between the trend line. But as you can see, the trend line is touching the high upper wick. The trend line is not touching the body of the candle.
Yeah, body should not cross. That's why actually after closing this second candle only we'll know that this candle is a master candle or not.
How we know?
This we already have the code. See, we already given this code. Uh, we already have the code master calendar. Okay, master candle. I given only one, so which means it will checks the only one candle, and the next candle is it closes in between the trend lines or above the trend lines. If you see this one, this candle has crossed this trend line. The body has crossed this trend line. So this candle is not a master candle.
Is it about the engulfing candle?
Yeah, it's about a engulfing candle.
But the engulfing candle should be in between of the body of the previous candle.
Yes.
Actually, this is not a truly engulfing candle. This is something else.
No, actually, this is for sideways market. See, the market is going sideways or
Okay.
okay.
Kindly explain again.
Sorry.
Kindly explain again. Yes.
Okay, it's a bit tricky, but I can avoid some unwanted signals also with this. For suppose, consider this is a candle. This is a master candle.
Okay.
When did it find after closing of this candle? Okay, so if we get the signal, we should not get the signal until we get the confirmation of the second candle. Once the second candle closes and it confirms the master calendar of third first candle, then we should get the signal on the third candle. So that
I,
sorry.
uh, can you draw master candle on the paint?
Yeah, that's right. Okay, suppose this is a candle. Okay, the second candle has open and close in between this candle. Okay, so
Okay.
that means this candle is a master candle. Then
Okay.
we get the
What
signals.
about the wicks of the second candle?
Doesn't matter. It's about
Okay.
closing and open positions only.
इसका open और close है. No, इसकी
Yeah, it's open and close positions only.
Okay, Arjun, the high of low of the candle. Do you see my cursor?
No.
Now you can
Okay,
see.
yeah.
This let's suppose this is the starting part. This is the ending part of the body. You
Yeah,
see, this is going below than this.
yeah,
Is it
that's
fine?
okay. That's okay. uh, our strategy is about wick.
So this the open and close of the candle should be in between of the higher and lowest point of the candle.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Okay, from the third candle onwards we should get the signals.
Okay. So we
If
should
we,
ignore the
yeah,
master candle.
yeah, we should ignore the master candle and the second candle as well, because after closing the second candle only we will know that this is a master candle or not, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we should get the signals here. For suppose we have one more signal here, one more candle, but this is also closed in between this trend line. Still we can accept this is a signal. So until when the candle body has crossed this trend line, until then we can get the signals. We can get the
Okay.
signals until here.
Okay, and why do we have a signal at here?
At the end, we don't know, right? After closing this candle only, we'll know that this body has crossed or not. Until
Oh,
this candle, we should get the we should check the patterns. Uh, like we have other candles by our cell. We should check the candles. We should check the patterns, and finally we got the signal. We should avoid until the master candle forms. Then we have to start the signal after the third candle of the master candle, the second candle of the master candle. This is the master candle 1 2. This is the second candle.
okay. Arjun, one question.
Yeah.
Let's suppose this candle has just been completed. So at the start of this candle, we do not know
Okay,
if
no,
the
no, no,
previous
no.
candle is
Just
a master
can you
candle.
point out? Can you highlight it? Couldn't see that.
Do
Okay.
you see?
Yeah.
Let's suppose this is the candle, and at the close of this candle,
Yeah.
we are at this point, and we do not know if the previous candle is going to be a master candle or not.
Yeah.
So at the start of this candle, should we paint an arrow here if we get any signal?
No, we should not get. We should not get. After closing this first candle only, we'll know that this is a master candle or not. So, on the first candle, we should not get the signal.
After closing of the first candle, we do not know if it is a master candle or not.
Yes. I'm writing this of 1 and 2. Okay. The first means this is the first one. This is the master candle.
Okay. After the close of master candle, we do not know if it is master or not.
Yes. Even after the first candle has to close, then only we'll know there is a master or
Yes.
not.
Yes. So we can have buy or sell signals on the first candle.
No, we should not get any signal.
Let's suppose this master candle has just been closed here. So after its closing, we at the start of this
Can,
candle,
can you no
we
no
can have
point out?
a
Can you
signal.
point out? Can you point out? Can
Yes.
you draw? Okay.
Yeah, Arjun, let's suppose this is the master candle and it has just been completed at here.
Okay.
And this candle has just started to form. And we have a signal on the basis of master candle. We enter a signal at here. So can we enter a signal because this candle has just been started and we do not know if the previous candle is master or not.
Uh, no, we should not get any signal.
But on the start of this candle, we do not know if the previous is going to be master candle or not.
Yes, that's why we should not get the signal on the first candle. We should not get the signal. We should not. We should ignore the first candle. After closing this candle, we'll know that this is a master or not. Then we have to start our patterns. Our start the
Okay.
signals, not the patterns. Patterns may form ikkada. This here we can see red candle, green, red, green. Then this must be the red. So then we can start the signals from here.
ओके आई अंडरस्टैंड आई अंडरस्टैंड पांच कैंडल्स है ना एक दो
So
तीन चार पांच
yeah.
ये पांच कैंडल क्लोज हो चुकी है एक दो क्लोजिंग को कंपेयर करके इधर सिग्नल लगा ओके अर्जुन आई अंडरस्टैंड एंड व्हाट अबाउट दिस एरो अबाउट
we
दीज
ha-
ट्रेंड लाइंस
this trend line.
अबाउट दीज इज इट अ ट्रेंड लाइन
Yeah, this is a big trend line based on big.
इसकी इधर आ जाए should I draw a big trend line on the indicator
It's not required. It's not.
बॉडी यही रहे इसकी भी इधर आ जाए ओके what is the functionality of this big trend line brother
Functionality means we
the usage of this big trend line here
So this is body crosses. So after body crosses, we should not consider this trend line as a valid trend line. So we should not get any signal after body crosses.
Should we get a signal if the body has not crossed yet here?
We should get only signals if any the candle should in between the trend lines. If it is out of the candle is open and close out of the trend line, and once the body crosses, then we should not get any signal.
Okay, so at this candle we should not get any signal. Let's suppose the next candle is also like this. Sorry.
Can you draw? Can you?
Let's suppose the next candle is also here. So should we get a signal here?
Once it's already broken, right? So we should not get.
So let's suppose all the future candles are at this.
We have to check another formation. We should not get. Once it breaks means this is end. This is gone. This is this trend lines, weak trend lines are invalid. So suppose we have another trend line. This is also another one.
Okay.
Suppose
So on which
suppose
basis we have a buy signal here? On which basis?
the latest one with the latest one.
Is this because of the pattern?
Yeah, because the pattern we have to check, but the candles the signals we should get in between the candle, the previous candle should close in between this trend line.
Okay.
Okay, just give me a minute. I will draw a trend line. Okay, here you can see. o- Okay, this is a master calendar, right?
Yes.
So it detects a master calendar here, and the next candle is closed in between. So this candle is a master candle. It's confirmed. On the next candle, we get the signal, and then it closes in between this trend line, the second candle also. Okay, so this is a master calendar now. Now we can this candle is a this signal is a valid signal.
Okay.
I understood why I said two master candles.
Which candle is a master candle?
Now the green candle is a master candle now.
Okay.
Okay. Now the green candle is a master calendar, and this one also master calendar, because this candle didn't break, right? This candle has break here, broken here at this level, at this level. So this master candle is still valid. You can consider this one. You can consider this one. You can consider both.
Okay.
Once it breaks, then we should not consider this master calendar. We should go for next one. So now this one is a valid. This
Okay.
one is
So
a
is this
valid.
buy signal valid in this case?
If we get any signal, then it's a valid. This one will give you the signal distance. I should not get the signal here. I will give
Okay.
signal
Let's
distance.
suppose. Let's suppose if we get here it is crossing. So at this candle, if we get a signal, is it valid?
Sorry, can you draw? I couldn't say anything.
At this candle,
Yeah,
if we get
okay.
a signal at this candle, is it valid?
Yeah, it's a valid because it closes in between, right? Previous candle has formed this master calendar, sorry, master candle. So if we get a signal in on this candle, it's a valid.
Okay. Okay.
So mostly we can check this sideways market. That is our motto of this one. See, This is very good one. This is a sideways market. So this signal is a valid and this signal is also valid. After this candle, we should not get any signals because yeah, this is one more form. So we have to check. We can consider this a sideways market. Still sideways market. If there is no sideways market, we should not get these trend lines. See, one, two, three, four, five. This is very strong uh, downside. It's going downside. So this is, cannot be a sideways market. Basically, it detects the sideways market. Master candle. Okay, yeah, that's it. Any questions? Any clarifications on this?
Yeah, I got a basic idea of this strategy master candle. I would be very happy if you can send me a picture that has the master candle and its requirements. The picture that you sent last time are actually these are easier to understand.
Okay, yeah. I will share you this indicator as well. Master
Sure,
candle.
sure.
So you can check it out. Okay, buddy. Anything else now? Any questions?
That's it from my side.
Okay, I will share with you the two strategies, and you can send me the quotation on this.
Okay,
Okay then.
thank you.
Okay. Please quickly finish this anomaly indicator as well.
Okay, yeah, I will fix it as soon as possible.
Yeah, for from next week onwards, I will start one more strategy. This is another strategy on the week based and validation and volume based analysis. So next week onwards,
Okay,
we will
Arjun.
start one other strategy.
Okay, Arjun.
Once you develop this validation and anomaly, I will look into that strategy and I will give you the some more updates on that.
Okay, Arjun. That's good.
Yeah. Okay, man. Okay then. Thank you guys. Take care.
Thank you, Arjun. Take care. Namaste. Bye.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. बेटा